Our mission at the Ohio Erie Canalway Coalition continues to be as important as ever in 2026. We are making great strides in developing the Towpath Trail to reach 101 miles while preserving and promoting the natural, recreational, cultural, and historical resources throughout the Ohio Erie Canalway.
Absolutely, Dan. And our 2026 calendar is full of events, programs, and new trail and park developments throughout the Ohio and Erie Canalway communities.
We are so excited to announce that in partnership with the City of Akron, our Summit Lake residents, and our donors, the Akron Civic Commons 2.0 Summit Lake North Shore Park ribbon cutting will take place on Saturday, May 16th at 1 p.m. We hope that you'll be able to join us for this tremendous community celebration that is co-designed and stewarded by our community residents.
We also continue to plan and design the remaining 9 miles of the Towpath Trail in Tuscarawas County. In 2028, construction will begin on 7 miles of trail, and we're actively planning and designing the final 1.8 miles to complete the towpath by 2030.
Working in partnership with our community supporters, we continue to promote stewardship of our parks, trails, and public spaces through our annual Ohio and Erie Canal cleanups and our Summit Lake Youth Conservation Ambassador Program throughout the year.
Help us support this critical work in our region by bidding in our virtual auction now through May 11th, or by making a contribution to one of our other causes.